guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 7 of the Vlogmas for the month of December, and today is actually day 4 or episode 4 of my top 5 favorite products. So we are going to be talking all about toners today. So I was really struggling on where to place this specific toner. I did put it in my 5th spot. You know what? Let's move it into 4. Okay. Now my 5th spot, we have the Jafra Clear Smart Clear Complexion Toner. This one wasn't my favorite. That's why I moved it down to 5. It was in the 4th spot. It didn't seem to clear my skin the way I thought it was going to, and I didn't like it. It was okay. It wasn't great. But yeah, it was in that whole like acne clearing line. Some of those products in that line weren't that great, and that one included. So let's move on to number 4. So number 4, I actually recently tried, and I love this one. That's why I moved it to number 4, because it's such a good toner. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I forget who influenced me on this. Oh yeah, it was Johnny Ross who influenced me on it, and when I got it I was like, yes, thank you. This is such a great toner. It's amazing. I did actually have the sample size of it, and then when he was talking about it again, I was like, yes, yay. So I got the full size. In number 3, we have the Jafra Royal Jelly Revitalize Toning Essence. Now this is another product that I actually sometimes do use to exfoliate the skin before makeup, and sometimes I do also use this at nighttime. It's amazing, and sometimes do it during the day, because you can also use it for a daytime toner. It is amazing. I do really like this toner. In the 2nd spot, we have the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I had a couple of Ordinary products. This is my only one right now, and I do really like this toner. I only use this one at night though. It's just amazing. The only thing I don't like about the applicator, you just have to pour it on like a cotton round or cotton ball. I would rather have something like this where you can just pour it easily, that like whole thing, rather than actually pouring it. That's great. I do still love this product. Here is my number 1 favorite toner. This is the ITK Tri-Acid Toner. It exfoliates and visibly minimizes pores. I love this toner. And it has one of those like push top ones where it just comes out like this in this area. I do really like this toner. This one is my favorite, and I do use it morning and night. I kind of go between these 2 toners, like switch them up all the time. Okay, so that was my top 5 favorite toners. See you guys tomorrow for day 8. Bye!